Hey guys, hope you are all having a wonderful holiday so far. Today I'm actually going to be using my Too Faced Merry Merry makeup palette, and I wanted to create a nice frosty icy smoky eye that I think would be perfect for your New Year's Eve celebration. So let's dive in. Okay, switching over to voiceover. So starting off by prepping and priming my face with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation and concealer. Then switching over to About Face eyeshadow primer and applying that over my lids. Okay, time for the palette, but first an obligatory sniff test. Starting off with the foundational base shade of Trimmings and applying that all over my lids. Then I'm going in with Jingle Bell Rock and applying that on the outer edges to create a smoked out effect. Now I'm going to dip into the shimmer, starting with Star and applying it with my finger for maximum pigmentation. And a lot of these shimmers give off this shiny wet look, and I'm really liking it. Then I'm dipping into Tannenbaum, this teal shimmer shade, and layering that on top. I'm basically layering shimmer upon shimmer because I think it's creating this interesting look. Now I'm going into Winter Wonderland. This is probably my favorite shimmer shade in this palette, and it's also creating this wet, shiny look, but it also is chromatic. Okay, now I'm going into Jingle Bell Rock and applying that on the lower lash line to create more congruency. Now I'm dipping back into Winter Wonderland and using that to highlight both my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, time to line my eyes. Using my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen, I'm again drawing extended wing because, as I mentioned, I feel like it's the most flattering shape for my monolided eyes. Totally optional, but I'm taking my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and tracing that over the liner to soften up the entire look. Then I'm curling my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Going in with my Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof mascara to give those lashes some volume and a boost. Okay, I mentioned it before, but I actually really like the built-in blushes and highlighter, especially Candyland. It gives me this nice rosy flush. Then I'm using Making Spirits Bright Highlighter, which is giving me this nice luminescent glow. Okay, going in with my favorite lip duo at the moment, Urban Decay by Lipstick in 1993 and the Lancome L'Absolu Lip Gloss. Okay, this is the finished look. I changed into a party ready outfit. The earrings and the top, they're both from Loft, and this top is so cute, it's so fun and so sparkly, perfect for New Year's. And all in all, I'm really liking this look. I'm really starting to like the shimmers in the Merry Merry palette, especially Winter Wonderland and Star. Like, they have almost like a chromatic, wet, shimmery look that I think is like perfect for everyday and for special occasions, especially New Year's Eve. And I like the Jingle Bell Rock. It created this like smoked out look. So yeah, I'm really liking this look, and I think you could even wear it day to day as well. And I love how this palette smells. It smells like refreshing pine. And I think this is probably my favorite holiday purchase out of all the other holiday palettes I got from Too Faced. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you try out this look, and have a great new year.